When you have two lines cut by a transversal, there's a bunch of different angle pairs that are created. We know about, vertical angles, for example. We know about a linear pair of angles. But when you have the transversal cutting through two lines, you've got angles created between this top section and this bottom section. The first kind of angle pair we're going to talk about are called alternate interior angles. So here's a definition for you. Two angles are alternate interior angles if they lie between the two lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. So let me give you an example of that. Angle 1 and angle 2 would be a pair of alternate interior angles. They lie between the two lines. That means the two lines that aren't the transversal, and this is what they mean by between them. So they lie in the interior space. And they're on opposite sides of the transversal. Notice that angle 1 is to the left of the transversal and angle 2 is to the right of the transversal. The only other pair of alternate interior angles in this diagram would be if we move these from here to here. They would also be another pair of alternate interior angles. If you trace the pieces of the lines that create the alternate interior angles, so it would be this ray, really, this ray or segment, and this ray, notice that they make a kind of funky letter Z. It looks backwards, but every time you see alternate interior angles, they're going to be in that Z shape of some type. So you might want to put a little note that alternate interior angles usually form a Z. So you want to be aware that even if this diagram is shifted to some other orientation, the alternate interior angles would still be on alternate sides of the transversal and in the interior space of the two lines that are not the transversal. So those are alternate interior angles.